Good morning, traders. I'm getting in late here today. Just got back, and I saw an opportunity to take an entry here, so I am taking a position long. I'll be right back. This trade that I'm taking here was called out in my charting service a little over 10 hours ago, and I'm just going to go for a 40 tick trade on this one. Very, very conservative. The stop has been set to 21, so that's a 24 tick stop right there I had to place. I'm a little bit late on the trade, but I just got home, so I saw an opportunity and decided to go ahead and take it with the 24 tick stop. No big deal, it won't get hit. And anyway, it should be good for 40 ticks. I don't know that it'll be good for much more than that, but should be able to hit the 40 tick exit. So anyway, I will come back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. But again, this trade was called out a little over 10 hours ago within my charting service. By the way, I just got another email today, and the person told me that, people are saying that this is a replay. And yet I have done video after video after video showing that this isn't a replay. And it just goes to show the power of slander on the internet. If somebody wants to slander you and call you a scam and say that you're doing a replay and whatever else, you're a criminal, you're a con artist, etc., it's amazing how many people will actually believe that. It just goes to show why it's so wrong to bear false witness, and why it's wrong to lie about other people. To once again prove that this isn't any sort of a replay. I feel really stupid for doing this. It's really lame that these Freemasons would do this to me over and over and over again and try to take away this wonderful truth for people. I discovered that all the financial markets are being controlled by a computer. People can come in and make as much money as they want to make at the markets, and these Freemasons want to come in and take it away from people. It's mind-boggling. That's why I'm going to, do seminars here in Bangkok, Thailand, and show thousands of people in person, and record the whole thing and put it all over YouTube. Then what are the Freemasons going to say? They're going to be completely out of ammunition at that point. Then they're going to say the seminars are fake. They'll just say whatever they need to say to try and take this away from people. And what's really sad is there's so many people out there that fall for that. It's mind-boggling. I could do 100 videos, 1,000 videos, 1,000,000 videos, and they still would fall for it. It's very sad. Los Angeles, 8:24 a.m. Bangkok, 22:25. 8:24 a.m. There's no such a thing as trading with a replay. It doesn't exist. It does not exist. And yet these Freemasons can say that it does, and people will believe it because people don't know any better. It's really sad. If only people could understand what these people were doing to them on a level that they can't possibly begin to imagine about every subject there is under the sun on a quantum level. And it's like they just don't want to get it. They don't want to understand. Not only that, but the Freemasons rip everybody off on purpose. They're commanded to do so in the Talmud. Their Talmud says to rip people off, to scam people on purpose. And when you do that, you're a good person. These people are beyond evil. Anyway, I just proved once again this isn't any sort of replay. And, listen, I don't show people via Skype live trades, nothing like that. I don't have the time for that. I'm a very, very busy businessman. Soon I'll be doing seminars here in Bangkok, Thailand, and teaching thousands of people in person. I'm also going to open up 150,000 baht a month office here in the middle of Bangkok and start teaching people in person. I'm going to start teaching people the world. And there's nothing that the Freemasons can do about it to stop me. What's mind-boggling is how skeptical people are. I mean, they're just taking skepticism to a whole new level. I mean, what person out there on the whole entire internet is able to show trade after trade after trade after trade after trade successful, knowing which direction it's going to go before it goes there? Which person on the internet can show that? Nobody. There's nobody anywhere on the whole entire internet except for me, because I'm the one who broke the entire financial markets code. I'm the one who's tracking code 2 every day in my charting service. I don't know where this skepticism comes from. Just because some punks out there call you a scam, you wanna believe it's a scam? Now this is a test of people's intelligence right here. If you think this is a scam, you're not very smart. Oh, just to let those of you who are privy to what's really going on, these Freemasons, they constantly act like they're Arabic men, but they're not Arabic men. You should know by now who the Freemasons are. They're not Arabs. They are sissy pedophiles, is all they are. The scums of this entire earth. They are Antichrist by their very natures. So just to let you know, soon I'm not going to be bothering to even do these videos anymore. I'm going to be doing live seminars here in Bangkok, Thailand, and then expanding to Singapore and Hong Kong. And I'm going to be teaching thousands of people in person. I mean, demonstrating to them that I know which direction any financial instrument will go before it goes there. Over and over and over again. Can take one successful trade after another. Over and over and over again. On any financial instrument in the world. And I'm going to do it right in front of people's eyes. Then I'm going to have a office right in the middle of Bangkok, in the highest rent district there is. And I am going to be teaching people from all around the world in person exactly how to do this. Not to mention my video courses. My video courses will be the cheap way to learn. But for those people who truly want to learn in person, they will come from all over the world to Bangkok to come learn from me. And again, no amount of slander or gang stalking or anything like that is going to be able to stop it. The Freemasons are out of ammunition. They're over with. The world is going to wake up to their treachery. The fact that they have put all the financial markets under the control of a computer program, and there is no free market. It doesn't exist. By the way, all of the calls that I made within my charting service today have all been good so far. All of them. This is another one right here. And this one will also be good for 40 ticks. The other ones were good for more than that. I would have taken them, but I just came in late. I had something important I needed to do, and because I'm leaving this weekend on vacation. And but anyway, I am calling these trades out with mathematical precision in my charting service, and I have a lot of people signed up paying me $300 every single month. You know, it doesn't matter. Soon, when I do these seminars, everyone is going to have no choice whatsoever, but to wake up. And I, at that point, will have won the fight that I've been fighting ever since I came out with this. And they have been attacking me and slandering me and gang stalking me. It is I who will win against them and wake people up to one of the most important truths they will ever learn in this life. Not to mention give them away to make nothing but money. Do you know there's a girl in South Africa who's making over $80,000 a month doing this? She learned directly from me. And somebody asked me today, is there people out there making a lot of money? It's like, are you joking me? There's another guy using 25 contracts per trade. And she's making over $80,000 a month. And she knows who these Freemasons are. They're destroying her country, South Africa. She knows exactly who they are and what country they come from. It's time to wake up. You can't allow people to do this to the world and to me for blowing the whistle. But just to let you know, people know who are privy to what's going on, which not too many of you are, but for those of you who do, they act like they are Arabs because they want everyone to blame the Arabs. But it's not the Arabs, it is them. Believe me, I know. They will always try to pin their evil on somebody else, whether it be a black homosexual that's in the office right now in the United States with his transvestite wife, or whether it be an Arab, or whether it be a German. They're always going to blame somebody else besides themselves. Then they make themselves out to make everybody feel sorry for them, that they have been treated wrongly. When they are the ones who are absolute pure evil human beings. Okay, I have reversed the position here because this is the fourth trade that I called in my charting service, and it has just revealed itself, which is a reflection of the computer revealing itself that it's going to go down now. And I'm going to adjust this exit here to 30 ticks. Should be able to make the 30 ticks quite easily, and it'll be hopefully a quick night for me. So I'm going to adjust the exit now and the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, stop is set to 49.74 and the exit is set to 49.29 for a quick 30 ticks. Should be able to make it no problem. This is the fourth and final trade that I have called in my charting service. All three of the other trades were all good. The last one wasn't good well, actually, I was just late to it. It was good. It was good. I would have made my exit had I just gotten a better position. And anyway, I am in this one. This is the last one. And this one will also be good for 30 ticks. So I will come back shortly to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. But again, this trade was called out in my charting service almost 11 hours ago. That trade just got stopped and I know what's going on. We have a new code. The new code showed itself yesterday, and I wasn't sure if it was just an anomaly or whatever, but there's definitely a new code. So I'm going to take that new code. I'm going to take that trade. I just need to determine which direction it's going to go, and I'm going to take another entry using that code. So I'll be back shortly to take another trade, and this one should be good for I think I should be able to get 40 ticks off of this one. So I'm going to go for 40 ticks and I'll be right back. Okay, I've taken another short position here. For all of you charting subscribers out there, we do have a new code. There is a new code in effect. I will chart it out tomorrow and show it to you. Then I've got to leave for the weekend, and next week we'll pay very close attention to it. It may come again next week, it may not. Let me quickly set a stop here. Okay, I've got the stop set to 49.80, and I've got the exit set for 40 ticks to 49.25. This should be a fairly easy trade right here. Hopefully it won't take too long. I'll come back and show it to you very soon. By the way, for you charting members out there, I'm not entirely certain I'm going to have enough time to do the charting service tomorrow, because I have to catch a flight fairly early tomorrow. So I'm going to get up and try to at least do the code 2 and a quick video to direct you for Friday. But for those of you who are subscribed to my charting service, just realize that well, no, I'll do a quick charting, a quick code 2 for you, because we do have a new code. We do have a new code. I'll alert you to that code, tell you exactly what it is, and then you'll be able to nail the last trade for Friday. But the other codes that I called are all good. The first one and the second one. The first one and the second one, both of them are good. And then this last one is the third one. The other two were good, but they weren't good for very much. Therefore, they're not really considered the code. There's 3 of them. The Euro, the First USA, and this special. All 3 of those are good, should be good on Friday. Especially, of course, the special. That will be your Friday entry. So, I will do a quick charting service tomorrow. Won't have much time at all to do it, because I've got to catch this flight and going away for the weekend. So anyway, and then next week we'll pay very close attention to this new code, because most likely they've changed it and they're going to keep it like this for a little while. So just like they kept the other special for a while, now they've changed it and they're probably going to keep this one for a while. So that is the benefit of having me track it for you, so that no matter what they change it to, I'll always be able to see it, track it, and then we make money from it. Simple as that. Anyway, I will be back shortly to show you the progression and or at least the outcome of this trade, but I just needed to get down here to 25 for a quick 40 ticks. I'll be back. Okay, we are in striking distance now of the exit. Don't have too much further to go. The exit's going to be like right here at 25, so it's like a double bottom right there. It most likely will go down and break below that low and keep going. I don't really know how far it will go, really. Maybe an extra 20 ticks, or maybe more, maybe an extra 40 ticks, but I'm just going to go for the 40 ticks. It's late to me. It's 11:49, getting close to 12 midnight. I've got to get up early tomorrow and make a flight. So I just want this trade to get over with, and so I can wrap it up and catch my flight tomorrow and go to bed. So anyway, I'll be back shortly. Hopefully it won't be too much longer before it makes it to the exit. I just wanted to show really quick that it's come all the way back up to my entry here, and I'm still holding on to it. It's still going to make it down to the exit, no problem. That's all a part of knowing the codes. And I will I'm going to turn my back on the trade now though and go to sleep, and when I wake up in the morning I will update this video and show you that it made it to the exit. Stop is right there. It won't hit the stop, it'll hit the exit. That's all a part of knowing the code. I'll be back tomorrow to do the quick charting service for all you charting subscribers, and then it's the weekend. So have a good weekend out there, everybody. Oh, and by the way, I am opening up an office in Bangkok, right across the street from Central World, which is right down the street from Paragon, and right down the street from Central Embassy. These are all major malls in Bangkok here, all on the same street. This is like right dead smack center in town, in the highest rent district there is. I live right down the street, so it's like a short little 2-3 minute walk for me. And I will be opening up my office there, really nice office. It's going to cost me about 150,000 baht for the place per month, which is about $4,500 a month to rent this place. And this will be my office. I'm going to hire people to break the codes for me every day, and I will also teach people to trade in person at this office. So you can come to Bangkok and come learn to trade with me in person if you want to do so. And I can just tell you right now, people from all over the world will be coming to train with me in person. I've had a tremendous amount of interest already, just briefly mentioning it, and a lot of people want to come. In fact, 2 people are already coming in June. I've already got 2 people coming, both of them from the United States, in June. And when I open this up to the Chinese, which won't be much longer, I'll have a tremendous amount of Chinese people coming. There's all kinds of Chinese people here in Thailand. It's very close for them, and they love Thailand. And who can blame them? It's a wonderful place here. It really is. I am from a well-to-do, rich family in San Diego, California, which is considered by many to be the nicest city in the country. And I grew up very affluent, and so I'm used to a good life, and I'm just telling you, I enjoy it here much more than I do San Diego or anywhere else in the United States that I've ever been. It's a whole nether world out here. It is really fun, really exciting. Everybody's really super friendly. The food is fantastic. The shopping is the best I've ever seen. It's just a really good life out here. So anyway, I think that you will enjoy Bangkok a lot. You come out here on vacation, come out here to train for business, and come learn from me in person. When I start doing the seminars, I will have a professional video crew film the seminar from multiple different cameras and different angles, and I will be putting that footage up to YouTube to show the world via YouTube that I'm able to call which direction any financial instrument in the world will go. Right in front of hundreds of people at each seminar that I go to, and I'll be spending quite a bit of my money to advertise the seminars in Bangkok, in Singapore, and Hong Kong, to let people know and to bring them in, and then to show them and then impress them, and then they're going to want to join my system, of course. And they're going to want to join my charting service, they're going to want to join my code breaking service, and I am on a mission to help as many people as I can to learn to trade, and also to wake them up that the entire global financial system is all being controlled in advance by a computer program, and I'm here to tell the world it is the Freemasons who have done this, originating from the United States of America. I will be back, which will be tomorrow for me. I'm going to go to bed right now. It's almost midnight here. Actually, it's 15 minutes past midnight, and I am going to go to sleep. I'll turn my back on this trade. I'll show it to you tomorrow when I wake up. Okay, I've just gotten up in the morning. As you can see, it didn't quite make it to the exit. The exit's at 25. And it went down to 27, so it didn't make it. I'm going to go ahead and exit here. Okay, I'm out of the trade, and anyway, came very close to making it to the exit and didn't make it. Anyway, it's the morning to me, and I've got to make a plane flight, so I'm going to go. Hope all of you traders have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Happy trading out there.